Dumating na finally yung in-order namin na table sa Shopee. Ito na siya. Ang challenge lang dito to find a legit seller na hindi tayo may scam and hopefully not, but yung package niya is sobrang laki. Yan. Oh wait, nausog yung camera. And ito na yung pinaka-table. Sana maganda. Here's the table. Yung table. Mukha siyang piano, pero yung table. Apat lang din naman yung screw niya, so sobrang bilis niya lang buuhin. Ganito yung itsura ng screw niya. And need mo lang mag-spare ng half dito and half din for the table mismo. We have a table! They give us this kind of design and quality. Tingnan mo kung gaano siya kakapal. And the paint, super even yung paint. May appointment lang ako sa derma para magpaturok lang ng pimples and facial na rin. So far, this is how it looks like. Ayan. May win-workout lang kami dito sa area na to. Di ko pa pala na-update na may whole size mirror na dito na pina-customize. It's a full-size body mirror. Punta muna akong derma. Kakauwi ko lang from the derma and what I did there was facial. I did PDT light and then pimple injections. Bali, total of like 4 pimple injections yung ginawa sa akin. Dito sa existing pimple ko here, this one, and then yung nasa nose ko. I've been with the clinic for almost 3 years already and they really took good care of my skin concern, my skin allergy. The clinic is located at the Southwood City, right across Southwoods Mall. What I love about the clinic is they have available doctors from Monday to Sunday. All of these doctors are licensed, so like sobrang perfect with any of your skin concerns. There's my skin after, medyo namamaga pa siya, but it will take like 2 to 3 days for it to heal. Pero yung mga pimples na in-injectan, for sure, by tomorrow, it's dead already and it's flat. Siguro mga 2 to 3 days, it's flat already. Kapag may mga big pimples ako, hindi talaga ako nag-hesitate to do pimple injection kasi kapag lumala pa siya, dun na nangyayari yung parang nagkakaroon ng butas yung dun sa pimple part kapag nag-heal, kundi naman may umbok. So, not everyone are knowledgeable about pimple injection, but basically ang ginagawa lang doon is may gamot na ini-inject doon mismo sa pimple to avoid it na mas lumala. And with this injection, mas mabilis mag-subside yung pimple. By tomorrow, wala na siya. Parang ganun. Mag-start na siyang mag-recover kaagad. Finally, nandito na yung mga books ko. And ito siya. This huge box. Nandito lahat ng mga books ko. From my favorite authors and some of the novels that sobrang gusto kong basahin. Backstory. Nung pandemic, nasiraan ako ng cellphone. And I have no choice, as in sira talaga siya na hindi ko magamit. I have no choice to be back at reading books. Ang nag-save lang sa akin nung pandemic was reading books, and doon ko na-discover na Fudge. I'm really into novels. Hindi ko napapansin na nagpa-piled up na pala dito yung libro. Since ito pa lang yung mga nadadala kong books dito, plan ko na punuin to and makadagdag pa ng mga shelves para mas maraming books yung mailagay ko. Say hello to my little librarian. May mga books pa ako sa bahay and pinadala ko siya sa brother ko. Unfortunately, most of it, kasi ito na lang yung nadala niya, 3 na lang, but most of it did not survive because of the typhoon. Nagbasa na siya, nagmolds na siya, so they have to get rid of it already. But at least meron pa ako ditong mga books. Endgame The Calling, Under the Never Sky, and then this one kay James to binili niya daw tong libro because in-encourage ko si Brian to read books and I'm happy he did, pero hindi lang siya nagstay on reading books, so he have to give this to me na, and I appreciate it. I love passing down books, but since I have my may mga collections din ako ng books na gusto ko magstay lang with me. This is how it looks like with lights on. Meron lang akong kwento, something na I feel like sobrang destined with me. Sobrang babaw lang nito. I was like never fond of anything. Like siguro kung music, I just wanted na classic, I want Josh Groban, Celine. Actually, meron akong list of musics from super different artists. Sobrang tindi nung attachment ko with Cup of Joe. Simula nung narinig ko yung Silakbo album. So from there, sobrang naging fan na ako. I can't remember when, pero maybe like 2 years ago. Hindi ko alam, 1 year ago. Like somewhere in between 1 or 2 years ago. Parang ganun. So now, hindi ako ma-familiar sa mga bands and faces. Like, I just know the song. Sometimes hindi ko pa nga alam yung title, but I just know the song. Parang it plays really well in my mind na alam ko lang yung lyrics, but I don't know much of the titles and the artists. Alam ko yung Silakbo album, and hindi nag-retain yung band The Cup of Joe in my head. May hinandal akong event. It's the Circus Music Fest. One of the organizers there invited the band. Since I'm organizing a portion of ganap dun sa concert, I don't know Cup of Joe. Meron lang kaming weird interaction nung one of the lead vocalist, si Gian, and that was in the dressing room or their holding area. Nagkasabay kami sa isang room and nakita ko siya because they have the signature. They wear this upscaled outfits and then sobrang they have makeup on their face. Then I don't know that it was Gian. And then nung time na sobrang nahook na ako, no, this one is like fast forward. And then nung sobrang nahook na ako with Cup of Joe, sabi ko, what? I remember I have like a weird interaction with Gian. Wala, bigla lang siyang nag-flashback. So, fast forward again, I was like a silent fan. I do support them, but not so much of a fanatic. Hindi ko napuntahan yung first concert and then the second one, hindi ko siya napuntahan because maybe like my mind is wala pa dun sa stage nung pagiging so much of a fan. Recently, nagkaroon kami ng travels. We went to Baguio, we went to Sagada, and then dun na nag-start na casually my friends are playing the music, and then there's like this me na nahuhook ako ng nahuhook until napapansin ko na what I have like weird happiness hearing the music, also watching the whole band. sobrang iba yung attachment niya sa akin. And then when they announced their third concert, the Cup of Joe Stardust concert, sabi ko, shit, hindi ko siya palalagpasin. Nag-set na agad ako ng alarm and calendar when the ticket will be released. Nangyari pa, nung August 30 was my first day na sobrang lala nung, nung flu ko. Sobrang bigat ng head ko. Yung eyes ko, I can't open it well kasi nagda-drop down talaga siya. Gusto kong pumila sa online ticket. So I went to the ticket net. Before mag 2 p.m., naka-ready na ako. And nung 2 p.m. na, start na siya. I have to go in already. Tapos, napikit na ako. Nung pagpasok ko dun sa portal, parang it took me 1 hour before makapag-proceed kasi meron din na parang waiting list. Sobrang dami nag-check out and I just see it from there na sobrang daming nagsusupport talaga with Cup of Joe and I'm one of them. Nakakapikit ako, nakakaidlip ako. Tapos nakakagising ako kasi my body was like super tired. Nakakagising ako and nakikita ko na naglo-load naman siya. And then nung after 2 hours, it was my turn already. Nakomplete ko na yung line. It was my turn already and they only give 15 minutes for everyone to check out their tickets. Pagka-click ko, nung nag-green na yung button, it's a signal for me to proceed. Nung nag-green na siya, the tickets are sold out. Like, day 1 and day 2, all sold out. My plan was day 1, but sobrang inisip ko na lang, kahit anong lang ticket makuha ko, but when I checked it, it's all sold out. My initial plan was getting SVIP, pero since it will be my first time attending a concert na nasa VIP area or like nasa pinaka SVIP, nag-worry lang ako na wala akong kasama kasi I have no friends coming with me. And luckily, yung dalawang kapatid ko, si Brian and Sandra, is a fan also of Cup of Joe and they want to buy ticket also. So nag-downgrade ako ng tickets para mas masaya na kasama ko sila. So they sent me already their money and I'm the one na mag-check out for them. Pero what happened was August 30 when we end up having no tickets. At first, I know in my heart na it's okay. I'm still this passionate Cup of Joe fan and masaya on my part kasi I was able to save up 7,000 or like 5,000 or 3,000. Meron pa rin ganung thought na it's okay kasi nakapag-save up ako ng money and kilala ko yung sarili ko. I won't be spending on kahit siguro fan ako of someone or something. I know it na I won't be spending 7,000, 5,000, 3,000 on a ticket. So like parang I don't see it practical because I'm super literate with handling finances. So I thought it was okay and I know it was okay. And then right after the ticket selling, it's all sold out. They announced it already on their Instagram account na everything is sold out, ganyan-ganyan. After like 2 days, I don't know, there's like something weird a week after August 30 na parang I feel super down. Every time dumadaan sila on my FYP and I was like checking constantly their social media. I mean, there's something weird happening on my emotions and hindi ko pa siya ina-acknowledge that much. There was like a day na they posted na because they heard the fans and a lot of fans did not secure their tickets. They will extend the concert adding another day, day 3. Also, may mga in-adjust silang seats so para maka-accommodate pa sila ng more fans. I was like so happy about it. Kaso still may sakit pa rin ako that time. And ayun naman yung time na sobrang lutang ng head ko because I was still recovering from flu. Hindi ko alam, nagulo na yung dates ko. August 1, na-check ko afternoon na yung ticket selling pala was 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. Hindi ko alam. So when I check it in the afternoon, ubus na ulit yung ticket. And that was the whole set of tickets on a third day. So imagine nyo kung gaano kalakas yun. So like naubos from SBIP to ano. And then, fast forward again kasi maubos na rin yung storage nung camera na to. Fast forward again, August 8. August 8, August 8, I'm on my way to an event and nag-scroll ako sa Instagram and then 40 minutes ago, the Cup of Joe Instagram posted na they will be giving more seats. Nakalimutan ko, upper box, parang ganun ata yun. And affordable siya. It's like around 1,000 plus. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, shit, I know what I am feeling for the past week na I have this attachment. I'm a hard book reader and I have problem with attachment to stories, to movies, parang mga ganon. Ang weird lang na explanation niya, but I acknowledge already na, shit, it's because my heart desire is I wanted to go to Cup of Joe Stardust concert. So, nung nakita kong 40 minutes ago, they will be giving upper box, sabi ko, shit, kukunin ko na to. Nag-check ako agad ng Ticketnet. Yung event pala was at Robinson Galleria Ortigas. May mga ticketing stations and one of it sa Robinson Ortigas. So from there pa lang sabi ko, shit, coincidence na I'm going there, they extended the concert. From South pa ako, sobrang layo. Kinol ko na kaagad yung landline nila and sinabi ko, Ma'am, I'm here kasi Cup of Joe extended their upper box ticket. Can we check po kung meron? When they checked it, they said na parang sold out na po sir yung tickets ng Cup of Joe, day 1, 2, and 3. Sabi ko, ma'am, but they extended it daw. Nila, okay, I'll check. Hold on for a second. So, waiting lang ako. And then, nung pagkabalik nila sa akin, sabi nila, sir, sold out na po talaga yung ticket. Sabi ko, okay. So, it was like okay again to me. Pero, after parang nag-pause lang sila a bit and then they said, sir, but there is a last ticket. Sabi ko, anong ticket po? Merong last ticket for day 1 and SVIP siya. Sabi ko, what? SVIP? Last ticket for only day 1? So day 2 and 3 wala na. Sabi ko, ma'am, is there a way na I can reserve it tonight or on this call? Sabi, there's no way. Sabi ko, pwede po ba siyang ma-hold? Sabi nila, they can't because hindi sila nagre-reserve ng mga tickets unless pumunta dun sa mismong ticketing office nila. Sabi ko, I'm only 10 minutes away sa Robinson Galleria. Kinakabahan ako. And then pumasok sa isip ko na, okay, I'll check it on Ticketnet. Nung chinek ko sa Ticketnet, nag-iisa yung SVIP ticket and I believe that's the last SVIP ticket in existence for Cup of Joe Stardust concert and I have a proof. So, nag-proceed siya, 15 minutes, they give me 15 minutes and then finally, nakuha ko na siya. After my purchase of that last SVIP ticket, there was no available tickets anymore for SVIP. And puno na yung storage ng camera ko and going back, again, what are the odds of getting the last SVIP ticket for Cup of Joe Stardust concert in existence? Like, what are the odds? I'm like super lucky to get it. From that moment na hindi ako nakasecure nung ticket selling and then when they extended it, wala rin ako nakuha ticket. But nung last adjustment nila na stars align, we hear you, Joas. First time ko maka-attend ng concert nila na I'll be there just listening to their music in front of me. I'm so happy. And I spent 7,000 for that, but it's a huge amount for ticket. For me, it's a huge amount to spend for a piece of paper. But when I spent it, it feels satisfying on my end. Right now, I'm looking forward for the event. I marked my calendar already. And I'm thinking of what to wear. I'm figuring out anong mga ginagawa ng mga concert goer because wala pa akong masyadong napupuntahan. But how does it feel to support a local artists and band, loving their music, loving the band member? Feel ko I'm speaking too much na. But bye.